We do not use any vulgar language around the kalo plant, around any plants. Your language affects how these plants grow. Your language affects how your friends grow. Yeah, it's imprinted in their brains, in their ears. The same goes with the plants. Okay, so as we're here together, be mindful of the words you use and the actions you do. Okay, and as we go home, continue that practice. Because what we're really trying to do is help our community be a better community. Okay? And the fact that you guys are here, willing and smiling, okay, is proving to you guys that you guys too like build a better community as well. The name of the moku, ahupua'a, and the ili that we're in. Okay?
Moku is Kona, the ahupua'a is Waimea, the place is Kauai, and Hipuka. Hipuka is a place where natives can grow again.
Very good, guys. All right.